How to do Temu affiliated program. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you the steps of how you can do this. So for that you need to follow the following steps here, and the steps are: you need to visit to your Temu website or sign in page and select either join now or sign up to earn depending on the platform, and you will see something like this. While you do that, you can simply go into Google Chrome or any other platform for that. Now find all your informations right here. You will be prompted to input your name, contact information, and the specific online platforms where you will intend to promote the Temu. So you will be asked many questions, you should just do that, and after you do that, wait for the approval. In the meantime, take the time to truly understand the product and target audience to create compelling contents that drives conversations for Temu. So some users have reported issues with the Temu affiliate program, such as being unable to register or program not functioning properly. Additionally, the Temu program may not be available in certain regions, so if this happens, then you can use the VPN or location tracking, other options for here to use it. So access the resources after approval. If the approval is done, then access resources. Well, upon approval, you will gain access to the Temu affiliate program dashboard, which provides these essential resources like unique tracking links and on commissions, promotional materials, and many other things right here. So this is how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.